waveform. We have the carrier wave. Join avutune unnara inka. So this one is the carrier wave. Next. So including the carrier wave here. Carrier wave kaakunda again we have the envelope, that is the outer sketch of the modulated wave is nothing but simply it is the replica of the message wave. Okay, so here message wave as well as the carrier wave both are superimposing each other. Okay, so in this way whenever both are mixed together, then able to get the output as shown in here. Equations are given, ma. A small Vm, that is the message signal, is equal to capital Vm cos omega t. Okay. Here you can also consider the sine terms also. This problem here cos omega t this Vm is the amplitude of the message signal. Cos omega t. Okay, that is the angular form of the waveform. So instead of here I am replacing the omega with the equivalent value, that is the 2 pi f. So here omega m kabatti 2 pi fmt, where fm is the frequency of the message signal. In the same way, Vc equal to capital Vc cos omega ct. Here capital Vc is the amplitude of the carrier signal and omega ct is the form of the carrier signal. Omega c is nothing but 2 pi fc. Okay, here fc is the frequency of the carrier wave. Here you have to remember one thing, that always fc is much more greater than fm. Okay, as the name indicates, high frequency carrier signal fc is always much more greater than the message signal frequency. Next, the waveform, that is the equation, the modulated wave is VAM and the amplitude of the modulated wave is capital VAM as shown in the screen, and the angular form is cos omega ct. Why? Because here we are only changing the amplitude. Okay, we are not changing any angular form. Either it may be frequency or it may be the phase. So we are writing the angular form as it is as for the carrier wave, that is the cos omega ct. So in order to find out the equation, first of all we should find out the equation for the amplitude of the modulated signal, that is the VAM. So VAM is nothing but as shown in this way waveforms. Here we can able to see that the modulated wave is nothing but the carrier wave amplitude plus the instantaneous value of the message signal. So here I am writing capital VAM is equal to the amplitude of the carrier signal, that is the VC, plus the instantaneous value of the message signal, that is nothing but small v. So here simply happens VC plus small vm means capital VM here I am replacing the term VM by VC by the smaller m. Okay, pin number 45. Number 45. Is there any problem? Okay. then the equation becomes Vc of 1 plus m cos omega mt, where ఇక్కడ m అనేది ఏంటి, స్మాల్ m Vm by V. So here m index. Okay. Regarding the modulation index, in the next class we are going to learn. Okay. Next. So now we got the value of the capital Vm. Then small vm is equal to capital Vam cos omega ct. So ikkada substitute the value of the Vam, that is the amplitude of the modulated signal. So then what happens, Vc of 1 plus m cos omega mt and cos omega ct. So cos omega ct. Then what happens, do the multiplication ma, Vc into 1 Vc plus Vc into m cos omega mt, that is m into Vc into cos omega mt of cos omega ct. So then what happens, again do the multiplication with the cos omega ct. Then we can able to get that Vc cos omega t plus Vc mvc cos omega ct cos omega mt. So Vc cos omega ct, instead of writing mvc, here I have written mvc by 2 into 2. So 2 to get cancelled, then not at all problem there. So then mvc by 2 into 2 cos omega ct cos omega mt. So here what happens, 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. In mathematics we have one equation that 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. So here a indicates omega ct, b indicates omega mt. So by using this equation, the equation for the modulated wave becomes Vc cos omega ct plus mvc by 2 2 cos omega ct cos omega mt. So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, cos a minus b, cos a means omega ct minus b means omega mt, cos omega ct minus omega mt plus cos a plus b, cos omega ct plus omega mt. So Vc cos omega ct plus mvc by 2 cos omega c minus omega m of t by taking the term t as common plus cos omega c plus omega m t. Okay, it is the final equation for the modulated wave. So in this, Vc cos omega ct, that is the equation for the carrier wave, that is a small vc, and the remaining two terms we have mvc by 2 cos omega c minus omega mt, and the one more term mvc by 2 cos omega c plus omega mt. Okay, here first term is the carrier wave, the second term is the lower sideband frequency, the third term is upper sideband frequency. Okay, so if you go through the frequency spectrum, okay, here I have drawn here. Now at the center we have Fc, that is the carrier frequency. For this carrier frequency the amplitude is the Vc. Okay, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ నేను రాసి చూపిస్తాను, వెయిట్ చేయండి, వెయిట్ 1 second. Okay. Okay, in this we have three terms actually. If we go to the frequency spectrum, at the center point, we have the carrier wave. Fc is the frequency of the carrier. For this, capital Vc is the amplitude of the carrier. Okay. And in this we have two more terms, lower sideband and the upper sideband. So here, it is the lower sideband, it is the upper sideband. Okay. For both of the sidebands, we have the amplitude as mvc by 2. Okay. If you look at the equation, for the lower sideband, this one is the angular form. And what about the amplitude? mvc by 2. For the upper sideband also, the amplitude is mvc by 2. And the angular form is cos omega c plus omega m t. So, by using that, the amplitude of this upper sideband frequency is mvc by 2. In the same way, for the lower sideband frequency, it is the mvc by 2. It is the lower sideband frequency. Okay. What is the angular term we have for the lower sideband? Omega c minus omega m. For the upper sideband, omega c plus omega m. So, if we go through the over 2, if you take the term 2 pi as the common, then fc minus fm. For omega c plus omega m, 2 pi fc plus 2 pi fm. Then we can able to get 2 pi of fc plus fm. Okay. This is the upper sideband. This is the lower sideband. Okay. Totally 3 terms we have. 3 different carriers we have. The first one is the fc, that is the carrier frequency. And the lower sideband frequency, fc minus fm, that is the LSB term. And the remaining term is fc plus fm, that is the upper sideband frequency. Okay. Totally in the modulated wave, కనిపిస్తుందా స్క్రీన్? ఓకేమా? స్క్రీన్ ఓకేనా? ఓకే. అంటే కొద్దిగా కనిపిస్తుంది కదా? ఓకే. ఇట్స్ హియర్ రెయినింగ్ రెయిన్ కాబట్టి లైటింగ్ అనేది సరిగా లేదు. నేను అవుట్ సైడ్ కూర్చొని చెప్తున్నాను. సో లెటర్స్ అయితే క్లియర్ గా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా. ఎఫ్సి మైనస్ ఎఫ్ఎం, ఎఫ్సి ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ఎం. Totally we have 3 different terms. Up to the equation for the time domain, equation for the modulated wave, amplitude modulated wave. Okay. Okay. So for the time domain equation, how many times we have? Again and again I am repeating. Carrier wave we have, plus lower sideband we have, plus upper sideband. Totally 3 signals are there. Okay. Now by using this, we have to find out the bandwidth. Bandwidth of the amplitude modulated wave. It is also denoted by BW. Okay. Can anyone tell me the definition for the bandwidth? Definition for the bandwidth. వాయిస్ కట్ అవుతుంది.
Change in frequency, ma'am.
The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. Okay. But suppose fh is the upper limit of the width, that frequency, then the bandwidth fh minus fl. Okay. So by using this, now how to find out the bandwidth of the anode modulated wave. So for this one, what is the higher frequency and what's this one is the higher frequency and it is the lower frequency. Maximum limit, minimum limit. So maximum minus minimum is nothing but bandwidth only. Screen is not clear. ఇక్కడ సో ఇక్కడే చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుందా? హయ్యర్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, lower frequency. So if you go through this frequency spectrum, fc plus fm is the higher frequency value, fc minus fm is lower frequency value. I am writing higher frequency, that is fc plus fm. Okay. For lower, fc minus fm. Okay. fc plus fm, fc minus fm. Now bandwidth is fh higher frequency minus lower frequency. Substitute these values, ma. fc plus fm minus fc minus fm. Now is it clear? Okay. Now expanding this equation, fc plus fm minus fc minus of minus plus. Okay. Now fc get cancelled. So we have f plus fm, 2fm, 2fm. So here the bandwidth of the modulated wave is 2 into fm. That is the twice of the frequency of the message signal. Okay. The bandwidth of the amplitude waveform is twice of the frequency of the message signal. Okay. Here we have some significant that conditions regarding the bandwidth of the communication system. Is it clear, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you explain it again? The screen is not visible, ma'am.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే ఓకే, క్లాస్ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళి చెప్తాను, వెయిట్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ ఇక టైం అయిపోయినా నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇంకా 20 minutes తీసుకుంటాను. ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఉంది కదా. మళ్ళీ మీకేమైందమ్మా సెకండ్ షిఫ్ట్ వాళ్ళకి?
సర్క్యూట్ సిమ్యులేషన్ ల్యాబ్ మ్యామ్, అరుణజ్యోతి మేడం.